I'll be taking a piece of the cookie. Wow, it's chewy. See? This is the cookie. It's so chewy and moist. The cookie base, I can taste a little bit of orange from the cookie base. But I really love the texture of this cookie. It's really chewy. Let's try the choco chips. The choco chips is not that sweet, and the chocolate flavor is not overwhelming also. It's a little bit sweet, but not overwhelmingly sweet. It's tolerable, but I like the texture. It's really chewy. So let's try the chocolate cookie. I think it has nuts. I'm not sure if it's nuts or white chocolate. So we'll see. I'll take a small piece. It's also chewy. See? It is crunchy at the edges. In the middle is chewy and soft. And also there's chocolate chips. The cookie base is not strongly flavored with chocolate. It's not that sweet also. But I like the crunchiness of the edges. Between this one and this one, I will prefer this one. So whenever you will see these cookies in Viva, please try them out. I don't know which one will be your favorite, but for me, I think this one will be one of the cookies I would like. I hope you liked our video for today. If you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I will have a new upload. So until my next video, this has been Lorraine reminding you that God loves you. Bye!